Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. I want to come to you with a quick video about why does my car overheat. So, especially during extreme temperature changes, we will get a lot of calls of like my car's overheating today, or maybe it's really cold outside but my car's overheating. What's causing it? Sometimes when extreme temperatures happen very quickly, that will amplify an existing problem with a thermostat. Perhaps you got a thermostat that's starting to wear down a little bit, whatever the case is. Those extreme temperature changes can actually amplify that problem. And so we'll change the thermostat. We'd also like to do a coolant fluid exchange, excuse me, where we actually introduce some cleaner into the system. We flush out the whole cooling system and we exchange it with clean fluid and conditioner that's going to keep the chemicals from breaking down in the antifreeze, prevent any electrolysis or any other chemicals that will work to destroy your engine. So one of the things that we also do is we're going to inspect the water pump, we're going to inspect the cooling hoses, the radiator, so on and so forth. Vice versa, sometimes a vehicle come in and actually needs a water pump. Maybe the water pump is leaking. On the quote, we will actually give you the option to let us go ahead and do the thermostat, cooling hoses, and actually if it needs it, meaning it's super old or there's a reason that we believe this, we will throw the radiator on that quote too. We would rather actually service the system instead of just fixing the one component of that system that's broken. Does that make sense? The thing that bothers me the most is like when we only do a water pump and then the customer calls me in 2 weeks and says my vehicle's overheating. We have to tow the vehicle to the shop and put a thermostat in it. It's always easier just to service the whole system so that your vehicle is running dependably and it gets you to where you need to go and you're not missing appointments, dealing with the stress and the frustration of having a vehicle that doesn't work the way that you want it to. So that is why we offer full system service and repair. And I will see you in that next video.